In this video, we'll learn how to find the volume of a cylinder. Now, the volume of a cylinder has a formula that needs to be remembered. And that formula is volume equals pi r squared h, where r is the radius, which is the distance from the centre of the circle to the outside, and h is the vertical height. Now, when you see letters together like this, it means that we multiply them. So, pi r squared h means that we square the radius, multiply by the height, and then multiply by pi. Okay, so let's see an example. Calculate the volume of the following cylinder. Give your answer as an exact value. This cylinder here has a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. Now, as an exact value, that means in terms of pi, so you don't need to do any rounding at the end. Okay, so let's see the method. First, write down the formula at the start to help you remember it. So we have V for volume is equal to pi r squared h. Then we substitute r equals 7 and h equals 10 because r is the 7 centimeter radius and h is the 10 centimeter height. Okay, so the first line becomes pi times 7 squared times 10. Now, 7 squared is equal to 49 because 7 squared is 7 times 7, which comes to 49. So the second line becomes pi times 49 times 10. And then so lastly, the final answer is 490 pi centimeters cubed. And that's because 49 times 10 is 490. And to multiply by pi, we just place the pi symbol at the end. And that's it. The answer is given as an exact value because it has this pi in it. And the units are centimeters cubed because volume measures how much three-dimensional space an object takes up. Okay, now it's your turn. Here is another example. Find the volume of the following cylinder. Give your answer as an exact value. Follow the method from the last question shown here on the right-hand side. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so here is the answer. This cylinder has a radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 18 centimeters. Again, we write down the formula at the beginning to help remember it. So V is equal to pi r squared h, and then we substitute the 5 centimeter radius and 18 centimeter height to get pi times 5 squared times 18. And this becomes pi times 25 times 18 because 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5, which is 25. And so the final answer is 450 pi centimeters cubed because when you enter 25 times 18 into a calculator, you get 450. And so 450 times pi is just 450 pi. And then again, the answer has centimeters cubed as the units. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you got that practice question correct. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe so you get notified when the next video is out. And feel free to share with your friends if you think it would be helpful.